The Constitution of India. Part 5. The Union. Chapter 2. Parliament. Officers of Parliament. Article 90. Vacation and resignation of, and removal from, the office of Deputy Chairman. A member holding office, as Deputy Chairman of the Council of States, shall vacate his office if he ceases to be a member of the Council. B. May at any time, by writing under his hand addressed to the Chairman, resign his office. And C. May be removed from his office, by a resolution of the Council, passed by a majority of all the then members of the Council. Provided that, no resolution for the purpose of Clause C, shall be moved, unless at least 14 days' notice has been given of, the intention to move the resolution.